Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjun Nersu and I'm sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for to get the notifications whenever I post the updates. And I request you to please like the button if you really like this video and if it is really useful for you. And one more thing, if you are looking for the Nifty trading, if you don't want to see the all the video, you want to Nifty analysis for tomorrow, you can check the timestamp in the description below. Like the same way, if you are looking for the Bank Nifty prediction for tomorrow, you can check the timestamp for Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, from which timeline it is going to start in this video. You can check it in the description below. You can directly click on the timeline and you can watch from there directly. Okay, thanks for understanding. Now let's jump into the market. Today, that is of 19th March 2021, Nifty 50 has gained 186 points and has ended at 14,744 points, which is a 1.28%. Nifty Bank has gained 304 points and has ended at 34,161 points, which is a 0.90%. Nifty Next 50 has gained 383 points. Nifty Midcap 50 has gained 102 points. Nifty Financial Services has gained 136 points. If you see the advances and declines under Nifty 50, there are 42 advances and 8 declines for today, that is of 19 March 2021. Let's see who are the top 5 gainers and losers for the Nifty 50. Top 5 gainers for the Nifty 50 are Hindustan Unilever has gained 4.51%, NTPC has gained 4.24%, JSW Steel has gained 3.96%, UPL has gained 3.94%, and Tata Steel has gained 3.79%. In the same way, if you see for the top 5 losers under the Nifty 50 Tech Mahindra has lost 1.25%, LT has lost 1.01%, Bajaj Auto has lost 0.51%, Coal India has lost 0.47%, and Titan has lost 0.35%. So let's see who has contributed majorly for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. So for the upside of the Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank has contributed 104 points in the upside of the Bank Nifty today in the rally of Bank Nifty, and HDFC Bank has contributed 54 points in the rally of the Bank Nifty. Axis Bank has contributed 41 points in the rally of Bank Nifty, and SBI has contributed 32 points in the rally of Bank Nifty. As I said every day, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, these 4 banks are majorly contributed for the either upside for the rally of the Bank Nifty or for the downfall of the Bank Nifty. See, today ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank has contributed majorly, so a little bit rally has came in the Bank Nifty instead of the downfall. Okay, now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade under Nifty 50. Yesterday the market was closed at 14,583 points and today Nifty 50 has opened at 14,471 points. I have given the buy call, sell call at 14,490, like that. Let us assume we have taken the sell call at 14,460 and it made a low of 14,350. Let us assume we have exited at 14,360, 100 points profit here. And as I said, from 14,400 there may be a reversal happens. So as I said here, the reversal was happened. Instead of downfall, the Nifty 50 has again went into the positive mode. This is because of purely technicals, not any greatness of me. I am just following the technical, hence I am giving the levels to you particularly. And at the same time, if you see at 1:45 to 2 o'clock, Our buy call was also triggered. I have given the buy call at 14,620, so it made a high of 14,787 points. At least let us assume again here we have booked instead of 180 points, let us assume we have booked here at least 100 points here. So here 100 points and here 100 points, 200 points in the Nifty 50 analysis for tomorrow. That is Nifty target was touched, which was given by us. Hope you guys book your profit here. Now let me share the results of the Bank Nifty views which was given yesterday for today's trade. Yesterday Bank Nifty was closed at 33,912 and today Bank Nifty was opened at 33,590, but I have given the sell call at 33,760 or like that 680, and let us assume we have taken the sell call at 33,520 and it made a low of 33,362. Again assume here, we have booked the profit of 150 points here, and as I said from 33,400 the Bank Nifty has again bounces back, and again it went to a high of 34,122 and again it fell down. See here our sell call was triggered again, which is of 33,740. So from 33,740 again the second sell call was activated at second sell call Bank Nifty target was achieved for 33,479. So again from here the bounces has came again. So from 33,742 to 33,479, 300 points to 270 points has booked profit here. Here 270 and here 150. It's almost 400 points nearly. So hope you guys book your profit here, and I have given the buy call here at 33 some 34 200 to 205 250. It was touched, but again it went to the reversal again. So hope you guys, if you have taken this call here, you may got into the loss maybe if you are not aware well active in the market. Okay, these are the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, Bank Nifty views which was given for today's trade yesterday. So now let me share the Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today Nifty has closed at 14,733 points. So if Nifty has continues its rally, buy call will be activated at 14,799 for the target of 14,835, 14,860, 14,886, 14,960, 14,980, 15,000 and 15,050. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow. Once again I am repeating these levels again for you. So our buy call will be activated for Nifty 50 or 14,800. 14,800 is the buy call for the Nifty target of 14,830, 14,860, 14,880, 14,950, 14,980, 15,000 and 15,050. And if the Nifty 50 has continues fell down again, our sell call will be activated under Nifty 50 R. Sell call will be activated at 14,685 for the Nifty target of 14,650. Next for the Nifty target of 14,630, 14,603, 14,575, 14,542, 14,500, 14,470, 14,434 and the final target of 14,400. Okay, hope you guys noted down these levels which was given by me for tomorrow's trade, that is of 22nd March 2021, that is of Monday. Nifty, this is the Nifty analysis for Monday. So hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note down these levels and be stick to the levels which was given by me, because I'm giving the views based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions, because the Nifty has to fall under our levels only, because we are giving the analysis based on the purely technical analysis. Okay, this is for your information only. Now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 22nd March 2021. So today Bank Nifty was closed at 34,118 points. So our buy call will be activated for the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for Monday. So our buy call will be activated at 34,380 for the target of 34,440, for the Bank Nifty target of 34,540, 34,640, 34,740, 34,840, 34,920, 35,000 and 35,050, then final target of 35,230. These are the Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow, that is of 22nd March 2021. So if you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note down these levels again. As I said, if Bank Nifty opens above this level, which is of our first buy level, which is of 34,360, if it opens above this level, wait till cross this level, and if this level has crosses, then you can take the buy call here. Okay, now let me share the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 22nd March. If the Bank Nifty continues its downfall, so our sell call will be activated at 33,880 for the target of 33,664, for the Bank Nifty target of 33,520, 33,390, 33,260, 33,130, 32,950, and then final target of 32,680. Okay, these are the Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. So our Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow with Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, hope you have noted down these levels. If you are not noted down these levels, I request you to please replay this video and watch these levels again and note down these levels and be stick to the levels which was given by me. It is the Bank Nifty or Nifty has to fall under our levels only. Okay, and always I request you to please put the stop loss for every trade which you are going to take. If you are following my views or others views, I don't take care, but for every trade whatever you are doing the trade, please keep the stop loss for every open trade. Okay, because our capital is very precious. Okay, thanks for understanding. Hope you guys like this video. If you feel this video has some value, I request you to please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members and relatives. And I also request you to please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications whenever we post updates. And one more thing, here from 14,800 above, 14,850 above, you may see the positive mode. Okay, till 14,800 to 850 there may be chances of sideways. If it opens above this level, then there is chances of going again up to 15,000. So at the downside, 14,400 is the supportive level. So for Nifty 50, and at the same time here at 34,700 is the crucial point. So once the 34,700 crosses this level, 34,700 crosses, it may go up to 35,200. So till then there may be a sideways or reversals may happen here. And at the same time here it said 33,400. From 33,400 also you should be very careful. Okay. So Nifty 50 options for tomorrow. So Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, if once the Nifty has crosses this level which is of 14,800, he can buy the strike price of 14,850 or 14,900 CE. And at the same time, if the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, the option buyers can buy 14,650 or 14,600 PE. Okay, so our Nifty option prediction for tomorrow, that is of 22nd March, would be 14,600 PE and 14,900 CE. And at the same time, if you see for the Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow or Bank Nifty option prediction for Monday would be, so once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level which is of 34,360, he can buy the strike price of 34,400 CE. And at the same time, once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level which is of 33,880, he can buy the strike price of 33,800 PE. Okay, so Bank Nifty option prediction for tomorrow or Bank Nifty option prediction for Monday would be, that is of 22nd March 2021. So 33,800 PE and 34,400 CE. These are the option Bank Nifty option levels. Okay, hope you guys noted down these levels. Okay, thanks for watching. If you feel this video has some value, I request you to please click on the like button and share this video to friends and family members. Thank you so much. Bye.